Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Ghanaian Bofrot. Some knows it as puff puff. So for the ingredients, I have some flour, salt, sugar, yeast, vanilla extract, and of course olive oil. So first thing first, I added into a bowl 2 cups of warm water, 1 sachet of the yeast, a tablespoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of sugar, a tablespoon of salt, and I mix it together. Once it was mixed, I added into the bowl 3.5 cups of flour. I mixed it together and I placed it aside for about 2.5 hours, and this needs to be put in a warm place so that the dough will rise. After the 2.5 hours, I heated up the oil. I shaped the dough in my hand before dropping it in the hot oil. I consistently turned it around so that they cook evenly. And that is it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, as always, don't forget to subscribe, share and like. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.